Hi everyone, my name is Tiffany Matthews and I am a kindergarten teacher. And someone had asked me about how to embed a timer into a PowerPoint. So I'm going to show you that quickly. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to do this little video that's videoing my screen. It's really cool if you have to do tutorials for your parents or kids or whatever. So anyway, I'm going to go up here and I'm just going to search for countdown timer and see what it comes up with. I'm going to go look for videos. For instance, here you go. So count 10 seconds. This one does 4 minutes. I'm going to do a 10-minute. Here's the one I actually have in one of my PowerPoints. So what you do first is make sure it looks okay. Get past the ad here. Then you go down here to this share button right here. Click on it, then embed, and then this will pop up. So here you need it actually you can decide what second you want it to start into the thing. I usually just leave it where it's at. You click on this copy and it's actually copying all that. Then you go to your PowerPoint. I already had one pulled up. Go to Insert, then come over here to Video, Online Video, and here for my video embedded code from a video embedded code, and then just paste that in there, which I'm just doing Control V, and hit Enter. Give it a second or so, and it will pop up. You don't actually see it right away. I'm going to go ahead and enlarge this a little bit. Then to make sure that it is there, go to your slideshow and actually go into presentation mode. Give it a few seconds because it actually has to download itself. There you see it. Click on this and voila. You have it. I will show you how I have it embedded in mine now. So let me get out of that. All right, escape, and we'll shrink this and shrink that. Here it is actually embedded into mine. And let me actually go to current slide in the slideshow. Give it just a second, it pops up. And as you can see, it doesn't get any bigger. You don't have all the things. It doesn't take you to the actual website. It's actually right there, and that's all you get. It goes all the way down to 0. As you can see, I put this up when we're having transition. We currently have like a 10-minute little break, like a bathroom break between our English language arts and our math. So I have this pulled up to remind them what they need to get ready and have beside them so we don't have to go look for it. I also have this over here to remind them that I need their microphones off and their video should be on. I hope this was helpful.